everyone. Deadline for Diploma 2 students to complete CAS is April 1st. That's Monday. In order to complete CAS, students need supervisors to sign off on every single one of their experiences. Until that happens, the learning outcome isn't complete, the hours aren't complete, and CAS can't be finished. When a student requests a supervisor review, you will receive an email that you can click on, follow the links, and easily complete the supervisor review. However, it's possible that someone sent a review to you a while ago that you missed, or that you've got a lot of reviews in a short amount of time because the students are so quickly and sort of feverishly sending off reviews right now. So I want to show you how to quickly and easily find how many reviews have been sent your way and click through them as quickly as possible. So here's how. From your dashboard and ManageBack, you're going to go to Reviews and Progress and click on CAS, SA, and SL. So I click on that there, and then you go to Reviews. This shows every experience that has my name as a supervisor, but to find out the students who are waiting for me, I go over here to Sent Reviews with the little blue mail icon next to it, and that will filter so that I only see the students who have completed a reflection and sent the review to me. So it's Riva Jangra, member of the debate team 2018, and the status is review sent. I also received an email from Riva's ManageBack account directing me here, but I don't have to follow that email because I can actually go straight into Riva's account from here. I click on her name, and there I see her reflection and the supervisor review. I'll read her reflection, see what she says. She describes the challenge of debating, and the learning outcome she's chosen is challenge and skills, so I can confirm Riva has challenged herself throughout the term to become a better debater and to improve her skills. That would be fine. And I'm going to click that she's achieved the outcome, and I will submit the final review, and that's that. And now you can see there are no reviews waiting for me. It would be very, very helpful if you could take some time to make sure that there are no reflections outstanding that have been sent to you, so we can try to get as many of these students complete by the deadline as possible. Usually we do pretty well. Thank you so much for all of your support and attention to this as the students hurry toward the finish line.